All right, we have everything cut out and now it's time to assemble. This is what the finished product will look like. Now, I I cut this twice, just this and this, in order to get a little tag, if that's what you wanted. But it's not necessary to actually have a tag on here. I just wanted to give you the possibilities that you can have a tag with this project, even though, all the elements are there. Okay, let me put this to the side. So after it cuts, you'll have this piece. That's where this portion right there comes from. So I'm gonna just set that to the side. Now I didn't cut this out twice, so I just wanted to do just the project. But I want to let you know that's what the what you have available. And I did use the dash line SVG that comes into with your project. This is something that I just use so the camera can pick it up better and I can see it better. It's not anything you need to use. Okay. It looks like it didn't cut all the way through. That's all right. Sometimes it makes mistakes like that. That's why we have scissors. We just snip it. Okay. So what I'm going to do first, I have my acetate. Put that to the side, and I'm going to use double-sided tape right here. Generally, I like to use glue for this project, but just for the tutorial purposes, I'm just going to use double-sided tape. If you want it to be long-lasting, especially with treats, you really want to use glue. Okay. Where's my little squeegee? Here it is. Here's my squeegee. It's always good to make sure that your double-sided tape is on there. And all I have to do is just lift it up a little. Okay. Maybe for the next tutorial I will use glue. Seems to go on a lot quicker. I thought doing double-sided tape would be a lot faster, but it is not. At least not today. Generally it is, but for whatever reason today is not my day. All right. Okay. Here's my acetate. And this acetate actually comes from Dollar Tree's accessory bags, or yeah, accessory bags. That's what it is. Okay. Now I'm going to definitely tape here. And I'm going to tape here. Now, depending on which side you want to see, it'll come off which side you want to actually show. This time around, I think I'm going to show this beveled edge. It's really up to you. Okay. It's definitely a nice fine morning. I would have liked it to have it a little rainy, but here in Tennessee, it's you never know what you're gonna get. The weatherman might say it's rainy, but who knows? All right, I'm gonna put some right here. Okay. Okay, here we go. So all I like to do is just line these up, just like that. I'm just lining it up. Actually, this side needs to be first, yeah. That was my bad. This side first. Just lining it up. Lining it up. Oh, and I totally missed this side right here. Silly me. I was just thinking, what am I going to be making for lunch? And my mind just got away from me. Happens in crafting, especially when food is involved. All right, here we go. We're going to line these up. First things first, this guy right here, because he's sticking to me. I'm just going to line them up. Good, good, good. All the way down. This guy also. There you go. Ooh. All right. Handy dandy pencil just to get everything down. There you go. Now for this right here, you may want to use a little glue, which I think I have my glue right here. I should have taken it out, but I didn't. I did not. Just add a little glue here and a little glue there. And this just slips right in. Okay, you're just going to make this all difficult on me. There we go. I actually put this the wrong way. I put this the wrong way. This was supposed to be on the opposite side. But you know what? That's fine. You live and learn and you get glue. No harm done. I'm like, oh yeah, you just put glue here and put glue here, you're done. I'm like, nope. There we go. Give it more of a rustic look there. The glue. Okay. Now that we have that, we just put a little glue here, a little glue here, and a little glue here. Okay. All right. And now we're just going to lay that down like that. Oop. There we go. And just move that over just a smidge. And there we go. Let that dry for just a second. And see, you have this left over. That's why you can actually do it twice. That way you use up all of your scraps. Now, time to figure out what type of ribbon to use. I have an assortment of ribbon right over here. And I was just thinking, should I take them out? Should I not? Should I clutter up my desk? All right. Now, since we're working with the green, let's do this one right here. This one's really pretty. Yep. Workstation, workstation. There we go. And you can do this as small or as big as you want. I think I'm going to do it about that much. No precise measurements. This is your project. You can make it as big or as small as you want. Okay. Now, in order for me, the quickest way for me to stick this, you just put a little bit of double-sided tape or some actual strong adhesive glue on the very back. You see where that little hole is right there? I put a little bit of adhesive. All I'm doing is just lifting that up. All right, putting that in there. Come on. I mean, hot glue, definitely. If you want to put the actual strings on first, you can easily get some hot glue. Put the strings in. Okay, so all you got to do is put this in, clamp that down, clamp this in, clamp that down, and there you go. Got yourself your first set, or better yet, you can put a little glue here or double-sided tape right there at these ends. however you want to do it. There's always a way to do one thing. It's like that scenario, how do you put milk in a cup? Well, you can take the milk and put it in a cup. You can take a squirt gun with milk in it and put it in a cup. You can have a squeezy bottle, put some milk in there in the cup, or you can there's different ways. There's always different ways. And there you go. You got yourself a nice little treat bag. Thank you so much for purchasing this file. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, and I will try to help you to the best of my ability. Thank you very much, and have a beautiful day.